3.
Hi, I'm Jacob Bass from the University of New South Wales in Sydney, Australia. I'll be demonstrating our research into software-defined networking and its use in a home network. Our research focuses on improving the quality of experience for a user in the home network. Today we'll be focusing on how we can improve the quality of a high-definition YouTube stream that we're accessing from an Android set-top box into a television. So you can see behind me the high-definition video playing. It's a 1080p video accessed from YouTube playing over the Android set-top box. What I'll show you now is the buffering state. You can see in the bottom left corner there, we have about 1.5 minutes of the video buffered. This video is the only thing running on the network at the moment. It's accessing between 4 and 5 megabits a second in order to buffer. Now, to introduce some heavy bandwidth into the same network, and wouldn't you know it? So we have here a large download that I'm about to start, which will introduce congestion onto the network. So we start the download, and what we can see is that on the YouTube stream, the buffering period slows, no longer is able to buffer adequately, and in about 1 minute or 2, it will reach a point where it can no longer play the video because it can't buffer it quickly enough. So what you can see here is the video is buffering. It's stopped being able to play. The bandwidth congestion on the network is too high. The video will buffer, play in short periods, but it will be unable to reach the same quality of experience that it previously had. So we'll see here again, you can see on the duration bar that there now is no longer any buffering period outside of the size of the marker. And what will happen is within every 30 seconds, it will buffer again. This is obviously not a good quality of experience. Obviously doesn't make anyone watching this actually enjoy watching the show. So as a response to that, we use our northbound API to slice a percentage of guaranteed bandwidth. So what you can see here is now that the API call has been made, the buffering period is now growing back out past the marker, and you can see that we now have a couple more seconds leading the current position of the video to allow buffering again. This is another example of software-defined networking improving the quality of experience inside the home.